Now another modeling technique called lathing, okay, L-A-T-H-E, or lathe, okay, you can be found under a modify stack. Okay, right now we don't have anything here. Okay, for lathe to work, it's something like loft as well. You need shapes, okay, rather than 3D objects or geometry. Okay, so let's do a perfect candidate for lathe is actually a vase. Okay, because of the profile that you can create. Okay, for this to work, we usually don't use the top view. Okay, because you will need the side profile. So I'll use the front view. I will maximize it. Okay, you can click here if you want. If not, you can press alternate W. Okay, I'll need the grid for now. Okay, okay, and I'll use a shape. Okay, in this case, we need the line, right? So we'll click a line. Okay, we will start from here. Click once, and then I want maybe 3 units white vase. Okay, and I'll click and drag instead of clicking and letting it go. And then I'll click. Okay, now you can create your own shape. Okay, you don't have to follow exactly. Okay, but if you want, you can actually practice with this. Now I will want to create an outline as well. Okay, so I will click and drag, and finally and okay at the same point, and I right click to finish off the creation process. Right, so this is my profile of the vase. Okay, now imagine if I were to duplicate this around an axis. Okay, in this particular exercise, it's actually around the z-axis. You can see the z is this line. So you will actually rotate around this axis to become the vase itself. Okay, so just to show you how easy it is. Okay, maybe before even I'll show you, let's say you have not practiced well on how to draw this line. You can actually right click, okay, and go into the vertex mode. Okay, let me just select this first. Okay, I'll right click. Okay, and you can actually move, okay, the individual vertices, okay, just so that you can modify it, okay, according to your shape. Okay, let's say you don't like this, you can actually do this. Okay, you can make this longer. Okay, you can edit the control shapes. Say I'm happy with this. Okay, now to add in the lathe, it's actually a modifier. It's not like the loft as you can remember from here. Okay, loft is added from compound object. You got it here. Okay, but for lathe, you need to go to modifier panel and add it to the line itself. Right. So under the modifier list, go to lathe. Okay, L-A-T-H-E, lathe, and then you can see straight away it's trying to create. Okay, if you look at the 3D itself, okay, it's trying to create. Now if I were to unrotate this, okay, under the modify panel, okay, degrees 360 is the full rotation. Now if I were to unrotate this, okay, you can see that it is actually based, okay, or the middle axis, okay, is actually based in the center of the line. Now we do not want that, okay, because it's creating this very ugly object. Okay, what I want to do is to click on maximum. Okay, so maximum will make sure that whenever I rotate or lathe, it will actually create this full vase, okay, based on the middle grid, okay, the one in the origin. Okay, so now if you are looking at it as black, okay, that means that the faces are actually inside out. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is to just click flip normals, and then your faces will be perfect. Okay, if you see this in the center as well, Okay, you can change this to well, and then the hole will be gone. Okay, so let's do it again. Let's see what else you can change here. Segments. Okay, if you turn on F4, okay, you can click on F4 on your keyboard. You can see that these segments are actually control. Okay, controlling the resolution. Okay, how much you want. Okay, from this. Okay, let's say I'm happy with 20 or 22. Okay, so I'll just stick to that. Now the good thing about this is that it is still parametric. So if you click on line and go to vertex mode, you can see that you can still change the shape, okay, of the vase or the vase. Okay, so if I click on this tool and go back to the lathe, or in this case I just click on show end result. Okay, click on this and you can see both the vertex, okay, as well as the final object itself, right? So we click on this vertices and we try to move it about, and you can see that you can change the shape, okay, in real time. Okay, so that's the good thing about this modifier. You can change the shape, change the height, right? So this is all up to you. Now if you do not want to see the vase, you just want to see the line, okay, of course you can just turn it off here, okay, or here. Okay, click here. Okay, so that is my vase. Okay, so this is lathing.